Yeah, I'm on every one of these MacBooks right here. That's my consistency right there. Subscribe to Keys Boom TV and Care Pictures Love. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. When one go off, another one come on. That's good. Hit that thumbs up. Everything happens for a reason. You gotta go through it to get to it. Really busy, so I'm about to do my unboxing for my iPhone 11 Pro Max in my car. And yeah, so what happened was I had a iPhone XS Max 512 gigs. Great phone, really liked it. And so when the new one came out with the 3 cameras, I really wanted to get it, and so I could take better pictures, better video, use it to do my thing. And it came out in green, so green's my favorite color, so I had to get that one. But I pay for 2 terabytes of cloud space. So, I'm thinking because I have the cloud space that I don't need 500 gigabytes when I get my new phone. So I ended up getting the 64 gig. And when I transferred all of my stuff over from my XS Max over to my Pro Max, I end up filling up the 64 gigs with app space. So I had to actually go and purchase a whole nother phone that's 512 gigs. So this was the 64 gigs right here, and this one right here is the 512 gigs. And it's crazy because I actually did an unboxing video, and when I was doing it, I ended up losing my footage when I transferred my stuff over from one phone to the other one. So I'm glad I got the opportunity to redo it. Oh, look at that. So here's my new iPhone 11 Pro Max. See both sides of it. Yeah. And I'll make sure that I get this stuff saved, get my videos saved. Oh, so the only reason why I'm really doing it in the car too is because I want to hurry up and send this one back so that I can get my refund for it. And I need to hurry up and do that to get that charge off my Apple card, because I'm trying to get that all paid off. So sorry I had to wrap it up so quick, but it's my iPhone 11. You know what I'm saying? People ask me, oh, why you want to get the new phone? Why you want to update? Your trade-in value is only this amount. Even though I didn't trade nothing in, I just bought it. Is because this phone makes money. I'm going to make money using this phone. So it pays for itself and some, over and over and over again. So that's why you want to have the best. And yeah, I believe this right here is the best phone you can have. Now, service, on the other hand, is a different story. If you ain't got no good service, it don't matter how good your phone is. still gonna be frustrated with it. So make sure you got good service.